Hey, what is up guys, back here with another video. Today I have another quick unboxing. This is the Woody Woodpecker favorites. I picked this up at Big Lots for $5. Has 20 cartoons digitally remastered. So guess it looks good. Well, I will show it. I will try it on my PS3 to see how the picture quality looks. And I will show you guys the camera. But for now, here's the front, and here's the side and the back. And I do like the Woody Woodpecker cartoon. Wasn't a big fan of the movie, but yeah, I guess it contains 15 Woody Woodpecker cartoons here, and plus 5 bonus cartoons starting Woody's Friends, and some bonus features, 2 episodes from the Woody Woodpecker show, the newer show. I like that one. It would be cool if Universal actually released the Woody Woodpecker show. It came out in, was it the early 2000s or something like. It would be cool if they gave us that, but it's good to have a couple of those episodes in here. So anyway, so here's the front, side, and the back. Let's go ahead and open this up. And again, here's the case itself without the sticker. Go ahead and open it up, and all we get here is this red disc here. Nothing, just Woody Woodpecker favorites here. Nothing all that exciting. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in, show it so we can see the quality. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so here we go. It's playing right now. Turn it down a little bit. I want to avoid copyright infringement here, but yeah, there you see it's starting, and yeah, there's the main menu. I'm gonna go ahead and hit play on. And it does look really good, as you can see. I don't know how good it comes out on camera, but it looks good. It's definitely remastered. Knock knock. Really cool. I don't know if this is like Woody Woodpecker or his friends. See, it does look really cool. Now we're gonna go to the bonus. Sure, episode 53 and 56. We got 2 random episodes. Oh wait, this is not the new Woody Woodpecker show. It's the old Woody Woodpecker show. Yeah, that's all. This is a bonus. Knock knock. Random cartoons are not all Woody Woodpecker, so that's a cool compilation of shorts there. So yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.